As the sun beats down on us in Florida, it's best to have some covering from somewhere. The sun has no respect for us here down in Florida. So what I'm going to do is glam up my back patio space, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the whole process with me. Here the hubster has picked up some brackets, and he's going to do the project for me. If you don't have a hubster that can do it, you can do this yourself. Take a trip to Lowe's, down the aisles with the pipes, and you're going to look for Conduit pipes. They are very inexpensive, only $2.44, or you can get the contractor's pack if you're a contractor. All the products that we're using today will be linked down below in the description box. And these are the brackets that we will be using to hang the pipes with. What I love about this idea is that it blocks the sun, it gives privacy, and it also gives a decorated look to your patio. It actually glams the space up. So now the hubster is taking measurements of the space. You want to make sure that you measure so everything can be centered and aligned accordingly. This project was simple, easy, and very economical. Anyone can do it, and it saves money. Normal drapes for outdoors start at $60 a drape. So you want to go ahead, put the brackets up, go ahead and drill them into whatever foundation you have, and make sure it's centered. And that way you can go ahead and hang the galvanized pipes on them, and you're all set. This project was quick and easy. It didn't take a lot of time. It was done within an hour, and it changed the whole look of our backyard as well as our patio. A tip when hanging drapes outdoors is you want to make sure you secure the ends of the pipes. If you're in Florida like us, where we have a lot of creepy crawlers everywhere, even though we have a cage in our backyard, we like to secure the insides of our pipes with plastic or some foam or something to keep the unwanted guests out. And now that that's done, you can go ahead and hang the pipes. You want to make sure you step back, make sure they're centered, and the pulls are easy to pull through. You want to test it a little bit just to make sure everything is fit. You may have to move some things around if you don't measure correctly, which is fine. So then you just move it over and just fill in the little spot and paint over it. We are using the Roth Allen clip rings. There's 10 in the pack to secure the drapes to the pipes, so they can be easily moved around, and when the wind blows, I love how it looks outside. Next, we're going to measure top to bottom to make sure we have enough clearance at the bottom of the drapes so they can move around. If we need to sew up a panel or tape it, we can go ahead and do that. And what I did was use double-sided tape and iron it. That was it. We secured the rings onto the drapes, and we are all set. It gives your backyard such a nice beach feeling. I love the islands. I love to travel to the islands, and I love things that are handmade. So I really love the look of these curtains, and I advise you to try something different in your backyard. You can also bleach these curtains, but you would need about 3 gallons of bleach, and you will have to soak them. I tried to soak them and it didn't work, so I just left them beige. But other than that, the drapes was really, really economical. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, and this is what it looks like. It came out really pretty. I really like it. So let me know if you loved it. Please make sure you share if you really loved it. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Live your dreams. Glam your lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching.